Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in 007 First Light game. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So the first fix is steps to fix sound or audio problem in 007 First Light game. So on your Windows PC, open settings. On the left click on system and then click on sound. Scroll down and under advanced option click on more sound settings. Now select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Then go to the spatial sound tab and from the drop down first select off option, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, and if spatial sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones from the drop down, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Fix 2, make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the 007 First Light game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Additionally, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers and see if that helps or not. Fix 3, steps to fix audio problem or sound problem in 007 First Light game if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So if you are using a Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray and select show Bluetooth devices. Scroll to the bottom and select more devices and printer settings. Right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab and check hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click on apply and then check if it solves your issue or not. Fix 4 is to set default sound device. So click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you're using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect such peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, additional controllers, additional monitor connected to your PC, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in 007 First Light game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.